have a morning on the way. We're still at home. Because of the coolness of this morning, even the cow warming themselves here. See? Wow. Hi friends, good morning. See? Hi, hello, good morning again. I'm here at Shillong Peak. It really looks different and looks amazing. What a beautiful paradise. I feel like running, man. I feel like jumping and running like small kids. Eesh, very, very enjoyable. Very nice. Oof, oh. Wow, wow. Here at Shillong Peak, all the place look quiet, but the sunshine give us something special, give us a new hope, give us a new ideas that we must be always hopeful, and we must be always shine like the sun. Look, we are going back to the warm place. I'm reaching here at this place just 2 to 3 minutes more to Maungap Market. And this is the right place called Meal Center. We have breakfast, lunch, snacks, dinner, and everything is here. See, everything looks very clean, neat and tidy. Especially their preparation. I think I will have my breakfast here. Let's order something for breakfast. I think I will have sukharuti with omelets and a cup of coffee. Hope that we will see again tomorrow. Till then, bye bye.